The United States of America, a country characterized by creativity and technological innovation. DMG MORI's U.S. manufacturing plant is located in Northern California, a global technology hub known worldwide for semiconductors, electric cars, and the digital revolution. Conveniently located near Sacramento and San Francisco International Airports, the 221,000 square foot Davis factory is home to over 160 employees. The facility is capable of building 100 machines per month using completely carbon-free energy. The campus is a center for DMG MORI development in the USA. Engineering teams provide custom design, software technologies, and automation solutions. The range of American-built machines includes NHX horizontal machining centers with advanced high-productivity linear and rotary pallet systems, CMX vertical machining center, and ALX turning centers with bar and compact gantry automation. Quality and productivity are achieved in a fully automated machine shop equipped with DMG MORI technology. The DMC 340U with rotary pallet storage and NHX 10,000 linear pallet pool ensure precision, efficiency, and unattended production. Confirming accuracy at each step is essential to build world-class machines. Vertical integration of sheet metal manufacturing increases machine configuration flexibility and lean production flow. The digital factory uses DMG MORI Messenger, a monitoring software commonly used by customers worldwide. Comprehensive equipment tracking captures efficiency data to drive continuous improvement. A global planning system visualizes assembly progress and individual process stages. Electrical assembly is the first stage. Here, Tulip provides easily built work guidance apps that track process times and streamline training. The assembly team is equipped with DMG MORI's shared global knowledge. Expertise is built by combining mentoring from longtime employees with training abroad. These highly skilled technicians assemble machines using the same processes, quality checks, and strict company tolerances followed by DMG MORI factories worldwide. A digitized assembly floor provides information, process tracking, and communication. Product inspection ensures complete achievement of DMG MORI global standards. Each machine is run a minimum of 100 running hours, and key tests are double-checked. Meticulous attention to detail even extends into the shipment process. Once delivered, factory experts can provide on-site installation services for automation systems. The factory support team provides in-depth knowledge and assistance, while future machine performance can be maintained with DMG MORI factory spindle rebuilds. Learn how to leverage new technologies to stay competitive in a dynamic world. Factory application engineers deliver tailored customer consultations and guidance, creating the basis for your long-term relationship with DMG MORI. The Davis campus is DMG MORI's hub for manufacturing and automation solutions in the USA. Or, in other words, this is the place where Japanese craftsmanship and German innovation combine with American ingenuity to build the leading technologies of tomorrow.